Hey, Sega people! It's Crisco the Hedgehog here by Little Phonics. But seriously, welcome. So, I hope you like this drawing I made. So, there's a blonde hedgehog here with black stripes, and I tried to copy the shoes because I don't know what shoes color it is. So I choose anything I can to find it. So I use this one. Sorry, dude. But I hope you still like it. So, anyway. Surprise for another YouTube friend. The Hedgehog. Watch his video. Go ahead. And I hope you like this drawing. So, yeah. He wants me to draw him. No figure. Yeah. Sorry, I'm so tired, that's why. So, I watched his video. His videos is awesome. And he do a lot of fighting. Not actually real fighting, but pretending fighting as a character. But you know what I mean. So, yeah, he's awesome. He could do fight stuff. And I think he create all those characters. Not gonna lie, I wonder what I look like as an end character. Oh well, never mind that. So, yeah. So go ahead and subscribe his YouTube channel. And I hope you guys like this drawing. Besides, because I tried to find his shoes, the colors. Look at that shoe. See? Because I've tried to find the perfect color shoes. Because I saw his video. But I cannot find the match color shoes. So I hope he like it. Blonde hedgehog over there. That's not me. In case you guys didn't know, that's not me. But you can tell it's different. Blonde hedgehog. Because he got black stripes. So, yeah, I hope you guys like this drawing because I worked so hard. Anyway, please, I hope you like it. Please. And I had to go, and I hope you guys wanted to see more videos. So go to like, comment, and press the bell. That way you won't miss my video. So goodbye, Sega people. Boom, mecha, boom, mecha, boom, boom, mecha, boom, mecha, boom, boom, mecha, boom, mecha, boom. Goodbye, Sega people.